The lesson objective for this video is that students will add or subtract radical expressions. So first of all, you need to understand what like radicals are. Like radicals just means that they have the same radicand. So the same thing under the radical sign. So for instance, in example 1, I've got 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7. They have the same radicand. Those are like radicals. That means I can combine them. I can add my 5 and 3 together. And so that's going to be 8 root 7. Any questions there? All right, then on your whiteboards, let's have you guys do that one. All right, so you should have gotten negative 3 root 2. Next one's for your notes. All right, so now I have, excuse me, 4 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Well, I've got a 5 here, but a 3 here. Do I have like radicands? No. So in that case, it means it's already simplified. There's nothing I can combine. Alrighty. This one's also for your notes. So for this one, I have the square root of 2s minus the square root of 5s plus 9 times the square root of 5s. So my 5s's are the ones that are the same, and you want to make sure that you remember the negative goes with that first one. So I'm going to have root 2s, oops, and then what's negative 5 plus 9? Oh, it's not really negative 5 though, is it? What is it? What do we assume's out there? A 1. So what's negative 1 plus 9? 8, yeah. So it's plus 8 root 5s. So yeah, when there's nothing in front of it, assume that it's a 1, just like we do with variables. All right, there's one for your whiteboards. All right, so 1 minus 7, you get negative 6, so negative 6 root m. Here's another one for your whiteboards. Okay, so when you combine the 2 root xy and the 9 root xy, we have 11 root xy, and then we just have the plus 2 root y. Any questions so far? All right, so sometimes you're going to have to simplify the radicals before you combine like terms. It looks like I don't have like radicands, doesn't it? But if I simplify them, I'm going to find out that I actually do. So I've got the square root of 45 minus the square root of 20. I can break down the 45 into 9 times 5. And my 20 I can break down into 4 times 5. So then I end up with 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5. So what's 3 minus 2? Just 1. So all I'm left with is 1 root 5. And you don't have to write the 1 in front of it. It's assumed to be there. So the answer is root 5. So how about if you guys give one a try on your whiteboards. All right, and so when you guys did that one, you got 5 root 6. All right, this one's for your notes. All right, so for this one, I've got a 9 out in front, so that's just going to stay out in front. What perfect square goes into 75?
3 and 25.
25, yeah. So 25 times 3. So root 25 times root 3. And then 25 also goes into 50. So now I have 9 times 5 times root 3 plus 2 times 5 times root 2. So 45 root 3 plus 10 root 2. Is there anything I can combine? No. So then that would just be your answer right there. All right, so on your whiteboards, give that one a try. All right, so you ended up with 12 root 3 minus 3 root 2. This one's for your notes. I have 7 times the square root of 80x plus 2 times the square root of 20x minus the square root of 45x. So again, I'm just going to break everything down and see what I'm left with. So what perfect square goes into 80? Not 9. $16 will go into it, yeah. And 20 we've done number of times. It's 4 times 5. And then 45 is what times what? Oops. Yeah, 9 and 5. All right, excuse me. So now I've got, oh, whoops, 16, I messed up over here. 16 times what is 80? It's 5. So I messed up there. Okay, so that means I've got 7 times 4 times the square root of 5x, and 2 times 2 times the square root of 5x, minus 3 times the square root of 5x. So we're going to be able to combine all of them, aren't we? Because they all have a 5x under the radical. So if we do 28 plus 4 minus 3, we end up with 29 root 5x. Any questions on that one? Alrighty then, here's one for your whiteboards. Alright, so when you simplified it, you got 5 root 3y minus 6 root 3y plus 4 root 3y. So the final answer is 3 root 3y. Okay, so what do you have to have like radicals? How do we know we can combine them? What has to be true? What do you mean by like radical though? What's that mean? They have the same radicand, right? So what's under the radical has to be the same. Alrighty, you guys can start on your homework.